Danny Hayasaka with Common Inc., helping people do their business better. And I'm still in my home office, hair's getting longer, that's all right. So right before we were all sent home, we were working on showcasing these killer new solutions from Logitech. And it's basically all in one box. You're gonna get a camera and an active noise canceling headset, all in the same box. So they have two kits. They have the Logitech Personal Collaboration Kit, which includes the Logitech Zone wireless headset and the C925E webcam. And then they have what I have here, which is the Logitech Zone wireless headset, same headset. And then of course the Logitech 4K Brio camera. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and put the headset on so you guys can hear the audio quality. Well actually, before I do that, let me go over some features with this. So this headset is Bluetooth. It has active noise canceling speakers. It's really simple to use, right? You got your on-off button, which also is the pairing button, right? This little guy right there, super simple. You can pair it to your mobile device, and see, I named it Danny's Zone Wireless. And you can see the battery life. And this thing has been going like, I don't know, days and days now. So it has a massive battery life. Another cool feature of the Logitech Zone wireless headset is that you can use a Qi wireless charger. So that's kind of cool. So it's foldable, so you can pop this guy right onto that Qi charger and charge it. But anyway, let me put this guy on so you guys can hear what it sounds like. All right, so what's going on right now is there's a printer printing behind me. And so what I'm trying to do is test the noise canceling performance and strength of the Logitech Zone wireless headset. So you can hear how this thing sounds, right? I personally don't print anything, but my wife, who's in HR, she's printing things all the time. So I just learned that, so I'm thinking about moving this printer over to her office. But again, testing to see how well the noise canceling blocks that type of noise out. One of the cool things about having the dongle is that it makes it class 1, so you can go, now this thing says up to 150 feet, I don't know. With the dongle, you are able to go a little bit further than you are if you're just paired to a traditional mobile phone. Here we are, Logitech Zone wireless headset, along with the Logitech Brio 4K camera is an awesome solution. It comes with everything you need to get started at home, right? You can charge your headset with this cable, or again with a Qi wireless charger. You got the cable here, and this is a USB 3.0, so make sure you plug this directly into your PC or laptop. Don't use a docking station to connect your Brio if you want it to work. But other than that, great solution. And I believe we're doing some sort of thing with our reps, so they may be reaching out to you, so some lucky few, to send out some free seed units. So that's pretty awesome. But if you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. We do read them all. And again, another great solution for work from home or work from anywhere. All right, thanks guys.